Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change quick chat on Among Us. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to change your quick chat to free chat on Among Us, simply go ahead and tap on online and under host, tap on create game. Under chat type, tap on the box and set it to free chat in order to change from the quick chat, and then tap on confirm at the bottom right. Apart from that, you can also select your chat language, the number of maximum players, your game type, number of imposters, and so on. After you are done setting your chat type to free chat, tap on confirm and you'll be able to change quick chat to free chat on Among Us. You can now start your game like you normally do and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.